Mayfield residents protest over poor service delivery and demand Kantela's removal. On Thursday, 30 July 2026, hundreds of Mayfield residents took to the streets to protest against poor service delivery and demand the removal of their Kantela.
Lo siphakathi wase Ward 96 sizotoyitoya la sithi babakhipha ikhansela lethu ngoba lisenzela ilex sithi phansi ngostadium siphansi asisamfuni la sifuna ukuthi ahambe ngoba yikhitha senzela yona asibatsha kakhulu simfuna stenias sisi uthekisana nezindlu ngapha udlisana namaphoyisa.
The demonstration brought part of the area to a standstill, with protesters blocking major roads, closing strategic access points, and burning tires. Hundreds of residents participated in the protest, expressing their frustrations over ongoing service delivery challenges and calling on local authorities to address their concerns. Law enforcement agencies were deployed to the area to monitor the situation and maintain public order throughout the demonstration.
Sifuna ama-rights womphakathi.